Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes svchost.exe high CPU usage in Windows 11, 10. First, create restore point for future any problem. Open Registry Editor. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click control. Open system information. Find installed physical memory. Eight GB memory multiply with 1024, another multiply with 1024. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.